Hey guys, what is up? It's TechyWiki here, back with another video. And in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making like an Autorole. So basically what that is, it's like when somebody joins your server, it automatically assigns them to a certain role. So what you want to do, you want to do at client.event, async, I can't spell, async def on member join ctx role equals discord dot utils dot get ctx dot guild dot roles comma name equals, and then I already have a role on my server. It's called TechyWiki because it's the name of my channel. Okay, so you have that. Now you want to do await ctx dot add underscore roles role one sec. Okay, while it's online. Okay, let me open my Discord. Join. Yeah, so my alternate account automatically got assigned the role TechyWiki. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.